In this guide, I'm going to show you how to replay in Universal Tower Defense X on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, go ahead and open up a game here in Universal Tower Defense, and you need to go ahead and get loaded into a match. So hit expand, hit play, and get loaded in, and make sure you go ahead and finish the match like normal. As soon as that result screen does appear for you, you need to look specifically for that replay button. Then go ahead and just click on replay, and it'll restart that same stage again. This essentially will let you play that same map without having to go back to the lobby and choosing the stage again. If you don't see that replay option, return to the lobby, then go ahead and hit play. It'll redirect you to a page that looks like this, and you can go ahead and choose that same match again. But yeah, that is the full process. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.